Welcome to Majestic NISARG. Today we're going to show you some interesting magic trick. When you need a match to turn on, you need to use these to do this. This is the trigger that can trigger it. But today we're going to show you the match light that can trigger on anything possible instead of balloons. Maybe they will pop if you try to do that. Guys, you can light it up. If you rub it on anything, it will light on. Even shirts, pants, skin, and eggs, and every kind of fruit, and phones. We need a cap, a bowl, a full small glass of water, and a knife, and styrofoam, and a paper, and matchstick. Guys, you need a cap, but you can't do it first. You can't scratch it up first. Okay, if you try to do it, it will blow up because these are the things you need. So you want to pour the water in this bowl, then put this in, then wait for a little bit, then cut it up, then it will be worked. Then dry the matches in the sunlight. You need to pour the water in here. Okay. Then you need to put this in. Now put everything in. Then if you want to little bit spend more time, you can do how much time ever you want. So guys, today Father and I, we are going to do this together. So guys, you can see that the water is turning brown and red. That means it is done. And you have to do it gently and slowly. So guys, now you need to mix them with the match. Then put it in styrofoam or maybe something else if it can. Keep it straight up and dry it in the sunlight. So guys, we have made this, me and my dad, and this is how it looks when they are dry. So guys, these are magic matches. They look not magical, they look just the same. You have to rub it on anything, then it will trigger. Are you guys ready? Let's start. We are going to try to do this on a phone cover. Okay. Holy shit! That scared the crap out of me. Okay, that is a lot of fire. That is a lot of fire. Okay, it's making black mark. Here's the light. Let's see how much this one can go. Wow, it's spreading in the speed of light. We're gonna try this. That's about to get destroyed. Has a little bit of black. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a little bit black spot on there. Holy shit, I knew that was coming. So guys, you can see her forehead is startlingly burning because that's made out of plop. I am buying. Guys, did you enjoy this? Next time we'll show you more interesting things. Bye.